Two people on the last weekly IAM call in our Simplify IAM community had pretty similar questions, which are mainly based on the learning path to IAM and how to move into IAM as a next step in their career. One came from desktop support, who is already being reached out by job hunters for an IAM role, but is confused which product to use because there are so many products related to IAM. The other question is from somebody who is working in Active Directory as an engineer for the last 2.5 years and is already looking forward to make a career in IAM. He was curious in what way the free labs and hands-on experience can help when he is ready for the job. Here is the honest discussion we had.
Also, I was looking at Microsoft Entra. I have a lab with Microsoft Entra, and I also was looking at Okta, but I've learned that you just need to learn one, because what's going to happen is you don't want to cross over and trying to go to Okta and SailPoint, just learn one. So I've backed up and just started learning the Microsoft Entra first and learn all the process and the fundamentals for Microsoft Entra. Then eventually I was going to branch over to Okta.
Yep. So you are saying you want to stick to Entra?
Yes, sticking to Entra. Yes, that's because I see so many different ones. I see SailPoint, I see Okta.
Yeah.
I see like 3 or 4 different ones, and I was like, this is confusing.
Yeah. So I would say always try to, like you mentioned at the start of the call, that you have already been reached because of your experience with desktop support and also understand the Microsoft world with Entra ID. So search what profiles match you on the market. And then you're right, there are so many products. It's so confusing. Even if you ask AI, it gives you so much, dump you so much information back to you. So look in your area or where you want to work, what IAM profiles, what are the job profiles that are there. So there is a post here in our community where I did there how to reverse engineer your IAM job search. So look for the profiles, just focus, narrow it down to the ones that match your profile or people who are reaching to you, what kind of skills they are looking for in IAM. Like for example, in your case, Entra ID, then pick the concepts in the concepts classroom we have. Maybe try to install the IGA lab and just to get the feel of the concept, how it's implemented, and then transform that knowledge into your own lab. And then while you are working on it, look what certifications, maybe certifications might be helpful, but I don't say that they are really so much of. But when you are switch the career or switch from the desktop support to this, maybe it helps for your area, the companies that are actually searching for. Then have a personalized plan. I think you have already a good plan with the lab and everything. Try to focus on that. Work on that plan, come back to this community, pick also have this free lab maybe as a adjacent lab so that you can apply the knowledge there and there. You can see what's the difference and everything. It really depends on how much you can do based on your free time, right? But try to reverse engineer the mindset instead of searching, reading one, given on one tool, so much on one tool. Just try to focus until you landed, you land the job that you really want, and try to reverse engineer from there to your learnings. Does
Okay.
that help?
Yes, and speaking of certification, they did say that the SC300 was like the main.
Yeah, that's for Entra. For Microsoft World, I think that's a no-brainer.
Okay.
Everybody, because it basically gives you access to lab and their own instance, and then you can do a structured flow of that, right?
Okay. Now, does any of the labs have you can link GitHub with the lab, or you can't do that, or you have to do that on your own? So the reason why I'm asking is because I know a lot of recruiters, they want to see a GitHub portfolio, like any labs that you currently are doing or working on maintaining.
I always suggest everyone to maintain the GitHub, even if it's IAM or non-IAM, as long as you are working on a technical role or even whatever learnings you are doing off the job, like AI skills you're building. Try to maintain that in a place where you can make it accessible for people who might want to talk to you about it, right? Also running document of your lab. It will be really helpful in one place so that you can also revisit that skill later and see what you built using a particular lab like this one, midpoint, and maybe in your own Entra ID lab, what you built. Does that help, Jesse?
That's helpful. Yes, that's very helpful. Thank you.
Cool.
I just want to ask a question regarding the career. Can I ask? Yeah, actually, I was working in one company. It's an MNC company, and I'm working as a AD engineer. Still now, I have completed 2.5 years, and I have another 2.5 years bond with this company. Okay. Instead of staying in this AD, I just want to try to learn a new technology. We'll be able to, with this experience which we are currently doing in our community, Does it will help me to crack an interviews with this 5 years experience, mentioning like these work labs and the protocols and everything?
Yes, just remember these concepts and labs, or you can do that, but don't get limited to just learning what is there. You can extend this lab. You can ask any documentation, even the product documentation like Auth0 that is there here, like the midpoint. You can go to midpoint, connect what you can see what it can do. You can extend your skill set. I will try to do what I can do with extending these each of these labs and bring more labs, but don't wait for them. You keep on learning, you keep on applying your own thoughts onto your lab and what you are seeing at your work with your AD engineering. Could just think, could we do that using IAM lab? Could you integrate those things into IAM labs, right? So increase your skill set, use AI extensively to keep on training it what your learning process is so that it can suggest you a logical next step. You can come to these calls every week and ask me, hey, I'm in this part of the journey, learning journey with this lab. Extend the skills, focus on what is available, what is being asked. For your experience, you might have experience in banking, understanding of insurance, understanding of retail market, or understanding of any other domain specific knowledge, right? Maybe see what job profiles are coming with respect to IAM in those domains, because that domain specific knowledge also might actually push your profile further along with the IAM skills that you're learning. Does that help, Vivek?
Yeah, thanks.
If you're trying to figure out IAM learning path based on your background, you don't have to do it alone. You can join the free community on School. It's called Simplify IAM. The link is in the description. The community is completely free along with the labs and concepts related to IAM. See you in the community. Also, if this video was helpful, please subscribe and see you in the next one.